Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 8, Strings in C Programming. In this episode, we learn how to handle and manipulate text using character arrays and string functions. In C, a string is a collection of characters stored in a character array, ending with a special null character \0. Strings are used to represent text. To declare a string, write char followed by the variable name and size in square brackets. You can also initialize a string with a quoted text, and C will automatically add the null terminator at the end. You can read strings in C using scanf for single words, or gets and fgets for full sentences. To print a string, use printf with %s. C provides several useful string functions in string.h. strlen returns length, stringcopy copies strings, starcat joins them, and starcmp compares two strings. Internally, strings are stored as character arrays, where each character takes 1 byte, and the last position stores the null character to mark the end. This diagram shows how strings are declared, read, processed with functions like strlen, stringcopy, starcat, and starcmp, and finally displayed as output. Here is an example that copies one string and concatenates it with another using functions from string.h. When you run this program, it displays the combined string as the final result. This example reads a name using scanf and prints it using printf with the %s format. Specifier. The output of example 1, input and print a string is as follows. Enter your name, Dibindu, hello, Dibindu. This program uses strlen from string.h to calculate the length of the string and prints a result. The output of example 2, find length of a string is as follows. Length equals 13. In this example, stringcopy copies str1 into result, and starcat appends str2, forming the final combined string. The output of example 3, copy and concatenate strings is as follows. Combined, hello world. This example compares two strings using starcmp. Since apple and banana are different, it prints that the strings are not equal. The output of example 4, compare two strings is as follows. Strings are not equal. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Write a program to input and print your name using a string. Use scanf or gets to take input and print f to display the result. Exercise 2. Write a program to find the length of a string using strlen. Use the built-in function from string.h to count and display the total number of characters. Exercise 3. Write a program to copy one string into another using stringcopy. Include string.h and use stringcopy to duplicate the source string into destination. Exercise 4. Write a program to concatenate two strings using starcat. Take two strings from the user and join them using starcat. Then print the final combined result. Exercise 5. Write a program to compare two strings using starcmp and display if they are equal or not. Use *CMP and check whether the return value is 0 or non-zero to print the correct message. Thank you for watching episode 8. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic C programming series.